Strategies for Selling Online Courses. Welcome back to Side Income Secrets, where we explore the best ways to boost your income and achieve financial freedom. Today, we are diving into a topic that's becoming increasingly popular: selling online courses. Whether you're an expert in your field or passionate about a particular subject, creating and selling online courses can be a fantastic way to share your knowledge and earn some extra cash. So, let's explore some effective strategies to help you successfully sell your online courses. First, understanding your target audience is crucial. Who are you creating your course for? Identify their needs, interests, and pain points. Spend time researching what your audience is looking for in a course. This knowledge will help you design a course that truly resonates with them, making it more appealing and valuable. Next, create high-quality content. Your course should be informative, engaging, and well-structured. Use a mix of videos, quizzes, and interactive elements to keep your students engaged. High production value can set your course apart from others. Consider investing in good audio and video equipment, and use editing software to polish your final product. Now, let's talk about pricing your course. Setting the right price can be tricky. You want to ensure that your course reflects its value while remaining affordable for your audience. Research similar courses in your niche to see what they charge. You might also consider offering different pricing tiers, such as a basic course, a premium version with additional resources, or even a subscription model for ongoing access to new materials. Once your course is ready, it's time to promote it. Utilize social media platforms to reach potential students. Share valuable content related to your course topic to establish yourself as an authority in your field. Join relevant groups and forums to engage with your audience and promote your course. Remember, it's not just about selling, it's about building relationships and providing value. Building an email list is another powerful strategy. Create a lead magnet, such as a free ebook or a mini course, to entice people to sign up. This allows you to nurture your audience and keep them updated on your course launch and any future offerings. Email marketing is a highly effective way to communicate with potential students and drive sales. You should also consider creating a landing page for your course. This page should be visually appealing and clearly outline the benefits of your course. Use testimonials and success stories from past students to build trust and credibility. A well-designed landing page can significantly increase your conversion rates. Offering a money-back guarantee can also encourage hesitant buyers to take the plunge. Knowing they have the option to get their money back if they are not satisfied can reduce their risk and make them more likely to enroll. Don't forget about the power of partnerships. Collaborating with influencers or other course creators in your niche can help you reach a wider audience. Consider guest appearances on podcasts, joint webinars, or even affiliate marketing, where others promote your course in exchange for a commission. Lastly, always seek feedback and continuously improve your course. After your course is launched, gather input from your students. This will help you refine your content and enhance the learning experience for future students. Staying adaptable and responsive to feedback can lead to greater success in the long run. Thank you for joining us today on Side Income Secrets. We hope these strategies for selling online courses inspire you to take action and share your knowledge with the world. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on generating side income. Remember, your expertise has the potential to change lives, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Happy selling!